If you're looking for an efficient way to heat your pool without bulky equipment or high electric bills, propane tankless heaters could be the solution. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 propane tankless pool heaters available in 2025. Starting off with a compact and highly portable option, the GASLAND Outdoors BS264 Propane Tankless Water Heater is an excellent choice for small to medium-sized pools. This unit delivers 2.64 gallons per minute and operates with a maximum output of 68,000 British thermal units, giving it more than enough power to maintain comfortable pool temperatures without delay. It's ideal for outdoor and off-grid settings since it only needs 3.6 psi to start and comes with built-in safety protections like overheating and flame failure shutoff. What users appreciate most is its lightweight build and how easy it is to install. Whether you're heating a pool at a cabin, backyard, or campsite, the GASLAND BS264 delivers reliable hot water on demand without the need for complex plumbing or power sources. Next, the Ranein 12L Tankless Propane Gas Water Heater brings more flow and more coverage to the table. Delivering 3.18 gallons per minute, this model is geared toward medium-sized above-ground or small in-ground pools. It's built to perform under low-pressure conditions and features a robust safety system that includes 6 protective features like anti-dry combustion and overtemperature shutdown. What makes this heater a standout is its balance between performance and safety. It offers a consistent water temperature, even if your water pressure fluctuates. Many users say it's one of the most dependable units for stable and secure pool heating, and it's backed by a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. For those looking to heat larger pools or prioritize a stronger flow rate, the CAMPLUX Pro 10 Propane Tankless Water Heater is a solid high-capacity option, capable of delivering up to 3.9 gallons per minute and producing 65,000 British thermal units. This unit is ideal for those who want fast and consistent heating across large water volumes. It comes with a user-friendly LED digital display and a 12-volt electric ignition system, making it incredibly convenient to operate. CAMPLUX designed this unit with outdoor use in mind, whether for pools, cabins, or RVs, and the built-in thermostatic control allows for automatic temperature regulation. It's powerful, efficient, and reliable, and users often highlight how quickly it raises pool temperature compared to standard propane heaters. If portability and safety are your top priorities, consider the Kohree 10-liter portable propane tankless water heater. Like the GASLAND unit, it delivers 2.64 gallons per minute, but it steps up the game with CSA certification and a 6-in-1 protection system that includes anti-freezing, overheat prevention, dry combustion prevention, and more. It's a favorite for outdoor adventurers or homeowners who want a portable, safe, and straightforward solution to heat smaller pools. This model is also ideal for seasonal pool setups or situations where a semi-permanent heater just isn't practical. It's compact, efficient, and easy to stow when not in use. Rounding out our list is the Mizuto Propane Tankless Water Heater, which offers the highest flow rate on this list at up to 4.3 gallons per minute. Designed for high-demand scenarios, it suits larger pools that require fast and efficient heating. This model features smart water temperature control with intelligent modulation, adjusting automatically to deliver a stable and comfortable water temperature. It's also equipped with all the essential safety mechanisms, including flame failure protection and over-temperature shutdown, and it holds a CSA certification to assure quality. Users who have large pools or need to heat water quickly appreciate the performance and tech features that Mizuto includes in this powerhouse. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check the description below for links to each heater we reviewed today. Stay warm and enjoy your pool season.